Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate MGM Plus on Google TV step by step clearly. To activate MGM Plus on Google TV, start by turning on your Google TV device. Ensure that it is connected to the internet. Navigate to the home screen using your remote. Scroll down to the Apps section. Select Google Play Store from the list of available apps. Once in the Play Store, use the search function. Type in MGM Plus in the search bar and press Enter. Locate the MGM Plus app from the search results. Select it to open the apps page. Click on the Install button to download the app. Once the installation is complete, return to the home screen. Locate the MGM Plus app in your apps list. Open the MGM Plus app. You will be prompted to sign in or activate your account. Select the option to activate your account. A unique activation code will be displayed on your screen. Using a mobile device or computer, open a web browser. Go to the activation website as indicated in the app. Enter the activation code displayed on your Google TV. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. Return to your Google TV once the activation is confirmed. You should now have access to MGM Plus content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.